Today, we celebrate the national spirit of the United States. No, not freedom. Well, yeah, we do every day, but bourbon. It's a love and hate relationship with bourbon nowadays. Love because, well, we love it, and hate because our favorite bottles are increasingly harder to find. All fueled up by an increasingly global thirst for this freedom drink. One of my favorite bottles is Noah's Mill. It's one of those still relatively easy to find bottles, decently priced, high proof, and a very distinct flavor profile. So, if you ever find yourself pushing into the late hours of the night, hustling, bustling, what is a good drink to both indulge and keep us alert? We're going to make a variation of a classic Manhattan. Let's call it the Manhattan Night Owl. We're gonna start by chilling our glass. We're using a coupe glass, specifically a Naked Nora glass. Alright, we're gonna add 2 ounces of Noah's Mill bourbon. What stands out to me from this bourbon, it's notes of dried fruit, vanilla, lots of oak, and a little hint of tobacco spice. So I think that coffee should pair really well with this bourbon. On our previous videos, we've always used cold brew concentrate, but for this one, we don't want to overpower it too much, so we're gonna use ready to drink cold brew. So in total for this drink, I used 3/4 of an ounce. Now we're gonna stir. Always taste, see if we need to make any adjustments. So I'm using Aphrodite bitters by Dr Elmegirab. It's a really good blend of primarily notes of cocoa, a little bit of ginger, coffee, so it should help tie everything together nicely. We're gonna do 1 dash of orange bitters just to brighten up the flavors a little bit. Alright, just giving it a final stir. And then taste again, and it tastes perfect, as you can tell by the gesture of my hand. Strain into the coupe. And then just drop a maraschino cherry, that final complement to the notes of the bourbon. And until next time, friends, cheers.